Hey, this is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to build an AI-powered Slack bot that is live connected to your company's major knowledge sources. So your customers or employees can ask questions like how to connect to Google Sheets, and it can directly answer the question. So if anyone needs to find information, they can easily ask this customized Slack bot connected to your company's specific data. Let's jump in. Inside JetAdmin, all you're going to do is create a new agent. When you create that new agent, you can define the agent's behavior in the instructions section. Instead of a generic prompt, we're pasting a strict reasoning process. This tells the AI to analyze the user's request, search for relevant articles, and verify the content before answering. Next, we enable the tools the agent needs to find answers. First, open the Internet Search tool. Crucially, we modified the search query. By appending sitedocs.jetadmin.io, we restrict the agent to searching only our official documentation, preventing it from citing unreliable external sources. Next, we enable the Fetch URL content tool. Search results only provide snippets, so this tool allows the agent to visit the actual page and read the full details. We add a specific instruction here telling the agent to always fetch the full content of the most relevant result found in the previous step. To make the agent even more powerful, we can also connect it directly to our internal knowledge base stored in BigQuery. Click Add Tool, select BigQuery, and choose School Queries. We add instructions telling the AI to execute Google Standard SQL only when a user asks for analytical metrics, ensuring it uses limit clauses to minimize data scanned. Under additional settings, we lower the steps maximum to 6 and temperature to 0.1. For a support agent, we want predictable, factual responses and not creativity. Now let's test it. We'll ask how to connect Google Sheets. You can see the agent following its instructions. It searches the docs, fetches the specific page content, and delivers a precise step-by-step guide based strictly on the official JetAdmin knowledge base. Now that the agent is configured, let's give our agent a name like Customer Support Agent and go to the Add to menu in the top right corner and select Add to Slack to bring up the connection settings. You'll see a 3-step guide. First, make sure your Slack workspace is connected to JetAdmin. Next, copy the invite command. You need to run this command in the specific Slack channel where you want the agent to live and operate. Finally, copy the connect agent command. Running this in the channel links this specific support agent to that conversation, allowing it to start responding to your team. With the agent connected, let's put it to the test. We'll ask it the same question we tried in the dashboard. How do I connect Google Sheets? Just like before, the agent searches the official documentation, verifies the context, and delivers a precise step-by-step answer right here in Slack. And that's it. We've just deployed an AI agent directly into our workspace in a matter of minutes. Because this is built natively in JetAdmin, the agent is hyper-specific to your company. It utilizes only documentation, databases, and CRMs you explicitly give it access to. Building powerful context-aware support tools doesn't require complex engineering. It's all easily done right here in JetAdmin. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.